Are you putting all your bibs away? Yeah, keep putting them away. Good job. Put them away. Yeah, that's a nice bib. Good job. Put it back. You made a little mess. Now it's time to clean it up. Keep putting the bibs away. Keep putting them away. Oh, that's a swimsuit. Yeah, put that back on the shelf. Yeah, that's a bib. Put it back. Yeah.